Let's give you the Zaxby's opening puck drop, and we are underway. Yanni Gourde's line, the checking line for Tampa Bay, an underrated part of their team. Tampa 6-0 at home. This is just their fourth road game of the season. Now behind the net, Victor Arvidsson takes it out of the pile, throws it towards the net. Jarred Tinordi getting the start tonight with Mattias Ekholm not available. Sometimes you get away with them, sometimes you don't. Here's a backhand feed in front by Granlund, trying to get it to the net. Granlund chases it down again, out to the point. Tinordi got it through. Save McElhaney. Rebound Granlund. Didn't get much on the spinning shot. Behind the net, played around the boards by Hedman. Around the rim it comes. Blake Coleman gathers there against Jost. Centering pass. A save by Rinne. First shot by the Lightning. It's a good one by Barclay Goodrow. Goodrow again. That got through.
They're just such a well-balanced, deep team. There's no real weakness in their game.
Killorn drops it off to the dangerous Hedman. And his shot is handled by Pekka Rinne. Nashville Arena. It's had a few names since then as it's evolved into Bridgestone Arena. But you had the old skull. Well, yeah, the old silver touch on the shoulder is nice. Here's a blast by Hedman, handled by Rinne. Relly in the middle. Jan Rutta and big Victor Hedman at the point. Face-off tied up. It funnels back to Hedman. One-timer Rutta. Glove save Rinne in and out. Two will play Detroit for the first time this year, Thursday, Saturday. Here comes Point, zooming in. Curling back. A one-touch pass out to the point. Bangs off the backboard. Corralled there by Ellis around the boards to bodies. Gathering back there in the corner. Borowiecki comes away with it. Long pass. Forsberg to Arvidsson. Right in stride. A drive. Save made by McElhaney.
I'd say, but this is what the Predators have to do. It's just a great transition. Fast break right up the ice. Nice pass. Gets a piece of it there, but Arvidsson still picks it up, and then.
So Granlund will work with Haula tonight. Trying to find the right combo. Here comes Killorn trying to turn the corner. Works it back to Cirelli. He scores! From a tough angle, Anthony Cirelli found a little daylight. And Tampa takes a 1-0 lead.
Let's see if we can see what happens here. That was short side, right over the blocker of Pekka Rinne. He's going to get this. Killorn gets it back, and no, that just goes straight in. That was like a knuckle shot.
It's an end over end. You can see it tumbling around.
It's kind of like
not where you expect to score. But Tampa gets the first goal of the game. There comes Matthew Joseph looking for more. Shooting, backing up Rinne. Rebound kicked into the corner. It hit the referee for a moment. Tampa is on the board first. Here's Point. As those light skates, he can maneuver so well. After the point it goes, and a shot from the point by Rutta is handled by Rinne with the glove. Fabro feathers it behind the net. Taken by Tolvanen, keeps it moving to Ellis. Ellis to the middle. Fabro looks for a shot, takes it. McElhaney a little trouble with it, but hangs on. Sissons tried to work it middle. Coleman took it back. A sharp angle shot, handled by Rinne, who's leaning up against that post.
Caused a lot of chaos, and all the shots aren't coming from prime scoring areas. They come from the outside.
Here's an interception by Cirelli. A quick shot from the high slot, and Rinne erases the mistake. Now back to the far side. It's Palat with Killorn. Point in the middle, and there's Stamkos, number 91. He'll circle and drive. Put it right in front. Point blank save by Rinne. And the rebound kick to Palat.
Up in front of the net. They're a highly skilled team, but watch the pressure in front of the net. This is a harmless little play. Look, 1, 2, 3 guys, Stamkos behind the net. They really pressure you from all over. As soon as that puck goes to...
So there's an opportunity to clear there. Didn't get it. Hedman takes over at the top. Point right in the middle. Another great save for Rinne, and he's able to collect the rebound.
Up and quick play. Watch this one. Point right prime scoring area, right in the slot. And Pekka read that well. He read where the danger was. Comes right out.
Cirelli to Sergachev. Through the legs. Works diagonally. Cirelli. Sergachev. Bouncing puck just wide. Here's a shot by Johnson. Stopped by Rinne. Built the pass for just a second. Now gets it back out high. Fabro is open. Winds and shoots. Save made by McElhaney. Go back a ways.
Yep. Gonna go back into
this
the ball.
goes back to 2001. That's your time frame. 2 defensemen, 4 forwards. We'll give the answer later. Playing without Luke Cunnin, Brad Richardson, and Mattias Ekholm. Here's a steal by Yanni Gourde. Gourde busting in. Saved by Rinne. And the rebound cleared by Ellis.
Gets this puck. Watch turned over here. He jumps. Granlund Granlund just a little bit of indecision, kind of uncharacteristic for him. And Gord in all alone. Gord makes a great shot. That's where you want to go, right over the pad.
Josi to the wing, Haula. Nashville does have 2 power play goals against the Lightning this year. Man open behind the net, sent way back high. Ellis to the wing. Here's the shot. Cousins had it deflected out of play.
Great shot. Cousins kind of waited. McElhinney goes down, and Cousins had a good shot there, just off the shaft of the stick.
Forsberg's wrister. Palat on the near side. Out to Hedman, one-timer, right in front. Great play, saved by Rinne. He denied Palat. One-timer by Stamkos. He fooled me before. I thought he was I assumed the one-timer. Pushes ahead to Maroon trailing in. To Sergachev around the boards to Cirelli. Sergachev right down the middle between the circles. His shot off the post. Rebound, score.
Watch Sergachev here. Comes in right on top. Nice little shot on net off the post. And Peck is trying to recover. That's an unbelievable shot.
It is incredible. Time ticking down here on the second period. Forsberg lets it go. Arvidsson a leaping try. Rebound. Pushing for it. No goal. They wave it off.
Harvey in the face, but this is a great opportunity. They got it set up again, and they're putting pressure on him. Look, numbers at the net. Watch, there's a cross check on Ellis. Then it's going to come another punch right here. No penalty. And then he does it again. He comes over. Then I think he hits Ellis again, and the refs are standing right there. How is that not a penalty?
Well, and while that was going on, the puck eventually did go in.
Wow, we got it.
But I don't know when the whistle.
Well, don't look at it. McDonough did it. McDonough kept that out, and then maybe that's why. Let's see. Here's the overhead. See if we can see anything here.
You'll see it. All of a sudden, it'll go. You saw
Bill Holder,
Billy Holder, and
Shane
O'Brien, the defenseman, and Brian Boyle was the guy I didn't mention forward. Big Brian
out there in such a confident unit.
Face-off win, Duchesne. Fabro back to Granlund. Side of the net, Arvidsson. Following up Tolvanen. Trying to jam it home, and he couldn't find the daylight. Granlund again winds. Cross ice broken up. Duchesne recovers. Fabro pounds one, score! Dante Fabro.
That was big. They did such a great job. They finally are able to get set up and get possession. They had a couple threats. Tolvanen with a good shot early. And look at Victor Arvidsson. McElhinney had no idea where that puck was. And Fabro delivers a perfect shot over the pad. Right in the back of the net. Look, McElhinney has no idea where that puck is.
Goodrow looking at the empty net, and a kick save is made by Ellis. Oh, wow. Ellis timed that perfectly. Taken back, and he can't save this one. Ellis reached out with the glove. Nashville had it. It seemed like some of the weapons were tired out there, Mace, and they just didn't have enough juice. Josi a keep in. He'll work it to the high slot for Forsberg. Now 5 seconds to go, and Stamkos will skate it into the empty net.
Oh, my goodness. How did that not go in the net?
Nashville had so many good looks, and he's going to get the W. So the Predators push hard in the third period after trailing by 2. They make it a game.